Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay, by the way, my name is PJ, and you can call me simply PJ. And I am already 24 years old. So, how about you? Can you tell me more about yourself?
Okay, I got it.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Bob.
Okay, Bob. Wow, are you working?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So now we are going to start our class. So please go to page just wait for a minute. I'll put the page here. Okay. Go to page 4.
Okay.
Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So please read the title of our book.
Title is Organization.
Yes, or one more time.
Oh, okay.
Organization.
Organization. Yeah.
Okay. That is read as organization. You know what is organization?
Mm. I think it defines the company.
Yes. Yes. It is a company structure. And you know what? That this spelling of the organization here is UK English or British English. While the American or US English is spelled as organization. Can you see it on the below? Can you see it below, Bob?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's okay now.
Okay. So please go to the below of the image in our book. Can you see it? Here, the organization.
Yes.
Okay, so that is read as organization. How about this one? Can you read this one?
Organization.
Yes, they are the same, but this one is used in UK English or British English, and this one is used in US English or American English. The difference between that is the S and the Z. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I will just note here for you to remember. Okay. So now let's move on to page 4. Can you see it? The building? The blue building. Okay. So please read number 1. Question number 1. Thank you, Bob.
Would you like to work in a building in the photo above? Explain why or why not.
Okay. Can you please read this word?
Explain.
Okay, one more time. Explain.
Explain.
Okay. So that is read as explain. So what do you think is the answer here? Would you like to work here in this building?
Yeah, he looks good.
Can you say it again? Yeah, you looks good.
Yeah, the building looks good, but I don't want to work in a high building.
Okay. Maybe you have a fear in heights. Am I right?
No, I don't want to uh, because there are a lot of people
Okay.
during the working time, and we
Okay.
have to waiting for we have to wait for the elevator
Yeah.
to each floor.
Yes. Yes. So this is your answer. Yeah. The building looks good. I don't want to work in a high building. So you must answer no because the question is, would you like to work in the building in the photo above? Then you must say no.
No,
Then
yeah.
you say, the building looks good. Then you can add but, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Or instead of saying but, you can say on the other hand. On the other hand,
On the other hand.
yes. Another term for saying but, or you can say also on the other hand, but I like. Yes, that's right. Or and similar like that. Okay. So I will just put it here for you to remember those. And you said they are a lot of people. Or you can say there. Okay, there.
There.
There are a lot of people. Can you say it? There are a lot of people.
Yeah. There are a lot of people.
Yes, okay. And you said that we have to wait for elevator to each floor. Yes, right. That's right. I think we need some. What if the building has only one elevator? Then you will use the stairs, right? That's so tiring.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
it's
now,
crowded.
yeah. Okay, so now let's move on to number 2. Can you read?
Which people in your organization have their own office? Do they have their own office because of senior, seniority?
Okay,
Seniority.
that is read as seniority.
Seniority.
Okay, one more time. Can you say it again? Seniority.
Seniority.
Okay, you know what is that? Seniority?
Seniority.
You know what is that?
I have no idea about it.
Okay, for example, a higher rank in the organization, for example, the manager or the executive director, they are the seniority. While you are the junior officer or junior staff, so they are the senior staff. Okay?
Oh,
Okay, I will just write it here.
I
The
understand it.
higher ranks in the company. Okay. Can you repeat this word again? Organization.
Organization.
One more time. Or, can you say it? Or.
Organization.
Org.
Ogre.
Org.
Ogre.
Yes. Then organi.
Organization.
Okay. Let us read this one. Let us practice. We are going to do the drill. Okay? Or. Org.
Ogre.
Organi.
Organi.
Organize.
Organize.
Organization.
Organization.
Okay, you got it. So now let's practice it one more time. Okay, one more. Organization.
Organization.
Okay. For the last time.
Organization.
Yes, you get it.
Yeah.
So one more tip, Bob, that if you see this word this Sean, that is read as Sean. This is spelled as Sean, but this is pronounced as Shen. Okay?
Shen.
Yes, Shen.
Shen.
Yep. Okay, can you give me other word with Shen on the last? Just like organization, education. Can you give me more?
Shen.
Yup. What do you think? Pollution.
Occupation.
Yes, you got it. Occupation. Can you give me another one?
Pension.
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh,
This
yes,
is
it's
it.
okay. Yeah. Pension and this one and Shen. These are the same. Shen. This is read as Shen. Okay? Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Pension. Okay, so now, what do you think is the answer for this one? In your organization, Bob, what do you think is considered in your office? For example, letter A, is it seniority? Does the senior or the executive director have their own office? Or for letter B, those people needs confidentiality. You know what is confidentiality?
Confident.
Okay.
It's confidential data.
Yes. It is private, right? Private.
Yeah, private. Yeah.
Okay, one more time. Can you read this one again? Once again. Confidentiality.
Confidentiality.
Yes. Okay. So before we proceed, can you give me an example sentence using the word confidential or confidentiality?
What do you mean?
Give me sentence example using the word confidentiality. Okay, Bob. I will give you an example and after that you will give me, okay? For example, my bibliography, my bibliography is confidential or it is private. Okay, how about you? Can you give me your example?
Library. Confidential.
Yeah, or private.
Hmm. Our product specification is confidential.
One more time. Our product.
Our product specification.
Can you say it again or type it here? I didn't.
Specification. Specification. Specification.
Okay, specification. Is that
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yeah.
one more time. Specification.
Specification.
This is read as spe. Spe.
Specification.
Specification. Can you say it?
Specification.
Yes, you got it.
Okay.
One more time. Specification.
Specification.
Okay, you will post here in the fee. Okay, so it must be a specification. Specification.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, one more time. Can you practice it?
Specification.
Yes, you got it. Okay, so now let's move on. Our product specification is confidential. Okay, Thank you very much. Now you got it. What is the meaning of the confidentiality or confidential? Okay, so what do you think is the answer here, Mr. Bob? And which of the people in your organization have their own office? Is it A, seniority, or B, a need for confidentiality, or C, the type of work they do?
The type of work.
They do.
Okay, C.
Okay, so your answer is C. Okay. Okay, so this is your answer. Maybe it is in your organization, right? Because
Yes.
it depends in every yes, it depends in every organization you work in.
Yeah.
So now let's go to letter B. Okay, by the way, Bob, do you have any question? Yes, don't be shy. It's okay.
What's the rank?
What?
Higher rank.
Okay, higher rank is higher position. Another word for rank is position.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that is rank. For example, you are a manager, then you are in a higher position or a higher rank. Okay?
Oh.
Yes. Okay, so now let's move on to letter B. Okay, this is the instruction. How important are the following in showing a person's status in an organization? Okay, this is your only answer from 1 to 5. 1, not really important. 2, not important. 3, sometimes important, sometimes not. And 4, important. And 5, very important. Okay, how about this one? Can you read it?
How important?
Yes.
How important are the
Yes. All of these things, how important to you in your organization? Just give me your score from 1 to 5. Is that clear? Is that clear, Mr. Bob?
It's not very clear for me.
Is not clear?
Yeah, how important are the following?
Yes, for example, in my organization, a reserved parking space is sometimes important and sometimes not. Then I will score it. I will give the score for this 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so how about in your organization? Can you tell me? How about this one? Can you read it?
Is 4.
Okay. So how about this one? Can you read this? And?
Reserve.
Yeah, please.
Oh, sorry. Reserve parking space.
Okay.
It's not a 4. It's 3.
Okay, sometimes and sometimes not. Okay.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Office with window. 3.
Okay, 3. Office with window. Okay, how about this one? A uniform. Yes, can you say it? A uniform.
Uniform.
Okay. So what is the score for that in your organization?
2.
Okay, not very important. Okay, how about this one? Can you read it?
A personal business car.
Okay, so what do you think, Mr. Bob?
5.
Okay, this is important. Why do you think this is important?
Yeah. It's we can based on the business card to judge if you belong to the company or not.
Yes, and this personal business card will be considered as your contact, right? Contact information, details, right? If someone needs you, if someone needs your company. Okay, how about this one?
Your own office.
Yeah, you own office. Can you read this once again? Office. Office. Yes, it's office.
Office.
Yes, it's perfect. It's better. Okay. So, what do you think is the score for that in your organization?
4.
Okay, 4. How about a company car? Is that really important?
Company car.
Yes.
2.
Okay,
I
not
think
really.
there is 1.
Okay, 1. Not really important. Okay, so now, how about this one?
Your name at your door.
What do you think? Is that really important?
At your door. Oh, it's 2.
Okay, not really. Not important. Okay, so now we are going to move on to vocabulary in page number 6.
Okay.
Okay, so now this one is vocabulary. We will test your vocabulary and the definition and how you pronounce it. Okay, can you please read this one?
Subsidiary.
Okay, that is read as subsidiary. Subsidiary.
Subsidiary.
Yes, it's okay. Subsidiary.
Subsidiary.
Okay, by the way, you know what is that? You know what?
I don't know, but
Okay, it's okay. So that means that, for example, subordinate. You know what is subordinate? Subordinate. Or another word for a member or staff of the company or employee.
employee. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Members.
This is the antonym for seniority. Okay, seniority. And
Senior.
this,
Okay.
yes, this is antonym or the opposite in seniority. If you are not a manager, then you are only a staff, then you are subsidiary. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, one more time. Can you read it again? Subsidiary.
Subsidiary.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so now let's move on here. Can you read it?
Factory.
Okay,
Plant.
I know. Or plant, yes. Not all plant is like living things, okay? Plants with flowers, not all. Because another word for factory is plant, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now this one, can you read it?
Call center.
Okay, one more. This is another tip for you, Mr. Bob. Okay, so this one is spelled as center, but if you are studying American accent or American pronunciation, this is read as center. Center.
Center.
Yes. You will remove the T sound, then that is read as center. This is US slang. And how about this one? Can you read this one?
International.
Yes, but we will also remove the T here. How about?
Generation.
Yes, that's better. That is read as international, okay? International.
International.
Okay, international. Okay, so how about this one?
Internet.
Yes, you got it. Internet. Can you say it? Internet.
Internet.
Yes. So, you will always cancel the T after the N, but not all words. This is just a few, but you can, for more information, then you can search for more silent T in the internet, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that is internet. And one more tip, Mr. Bob, that if you are reading a English word, then you must give the importance to the first sound and the last sound of the sentence. For example, E. This is the first sound and the last sound for this is T. So if I will give importance for that is read as internet. 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 Can you say it?
Internet.
Yes, that's perfect. And this one, can you read this?
Service center.
Yes, you remember it. Yes, you got it. Okay. So hope you will use that in your future conversation, okay?
Yeah.
For example, yes, keep it in your mind and you will say to your buddy or to your friends that, hey, I will surf in the internet.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about this one? Can you read this one?
Head office.
Yes, head office.
Head office.
Yes, and this another vocabulary. Can you please read, Mr. Bob?
Distribution center.
Yes, okay. You are applying the silent T. Okay, thank you for that. This one is distribution. Distribution.
Distribution.
Okay, that is distribution. How about this one?
Warehouse.
Okay, warehouse. In your company, do you have a warehouse?
Of course.
Okay. So since your company is all about production, right? So you will need this one, warehouse.
Yes.
And this one.
Branch.
Okay, that is read as this first word is read as branches. The singular form for that is branch. But if you will transform it in the plural form, then that is branches. Okay? How about this one?
Branches. Outlets.
Outlets.
Outlet.
Okay, so branch and outlets are the same, okay? They are similar.
Oh.
Yep. So, in your company, do you have a branches? Or only
Yes.
one? Oh, I think your
Office
company
big
is, yes, a
branch.
big company.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a big, yeah.
So now I think, Mr. Bob, our time is already over, but we will just wrap it up. All of the things that we've learned in this class. So remember, Mr. Bob, that don't forget those silent T after the N. Okay, like center, international, internet. Okay.
Okay.
How about you know what is the meaning of seniority? Can you tell me?
Seniority.
Yeah.
It's a senior.
Yeah, senior, exactly. Senior. Or
Yeah.
a higher position, right?
Senior staff. Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of confidential?
Confidential is private.
Yes, you got it. So I think that's all for our demo class for this night, Mr. Bob. I hope you learned our class and thank you for this night. Have a good night.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Have a nice night. Bye.
Yes, bye-bye.